turn your garden into a soft, green carpet with Dichondra repens, the versatile low-growing plant perfect for sun or shade. Dichondra repens, also known as kidney weed, is a lush, low-growing ground cover that brings elegance and greenery to gardens across the USA. Its small, rounded leaves form a dense mat, making it ideal for filling gaps, covering bare soil, and creating a natural, weed-suppressing carpet. This plant is perfect for lawns, borders, rockeries, container gardens, and even hanging baskets, offering a vibrant green look that requires minimal maintenance. Its creeping habit allows it to spread evenly, creating a soft and attractive layer in sunny or partially shaded areas. Start by choosing a location with bright indirect sunlight or partial shade. Dichondra repens thrives in well-draining soils, slightly acidic to neutral, but it is adaptable to a variety of soil types. Enrich the planting area with compost or organic matter to ensure healthy, vigorous growth. Avoid areas prone to waterlogging, as the plant is susceptible to root rot in overly wet conditions. Propagation can be done through seeds, cuttings, or plugs. Seeds should be sown in trays or directly in prepared garden beds lightly covered with soil. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Seeds typically germinate within 10 and 21 days. For cuttings, select healthy stems, remove lower leaves, and plant in moist soil. Rooting occurs quickly under optimal conditions. When using plugs, space them 6–12 inches apart depending on desired coverage, as Dichondra will naturally spread to fill gaps. Watering is crucial during establishment. Keep the soil evenly moist for the first few weeks until roots are well developed. Once established, Dichondra repens is relatively drought-tolerant but will thrive with regular watering, especially during dry spells. Mulching around the plants helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain a healthy root system. Avoid excessive fertilization, as it may promote leaf growth at the expense of a dense, spreading habit. Light feeding with balanced fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks supports lush growth. Pruning is minimal but can be done to maintain shape and encourage denser coverage. Dichondra repens is generally pest and disease resistant, although occasional aphid or snail activity may occur. These can be controlled with organic methods such as neem oil or hand picking. The plant's natural mat-forming habit also helps suppress many common weeds, reducing garden maintenance. Dichondra repens is highly versatile for landscaping. It can replace traditional lawns in small areas, serve as a filler between stepping stones, or provide a green contrast to colorful flower beds. Container planting is also effective. Choose shallow pots with good drainage and fill with quality potting mix. This allows Dichondra to trail gracefully over edges for an ornamental effect. This ground cover thrives in temperatures ranging from 60° VF to 85° VF, making it suitable for most USA climates. In colder zones, Dichondra may go dormant during winter but will return in spring with the right care. It can tolerate both sunny and partially shaded areas, but dense, deep green growth is most robust under partial sun. For long-term care, maintain moderate watering, occasional light fertilization, and minor trimming to keep the coverage even. Seed collection is possible for future propagation. Dichondra repens can also be interplanted with other low-growing flowers or succulents for contrast, creating a visually appealing and low-maintenance landscape. Its evergreen foliage adds year-round interest, making it a practical and aesthetically pleasing choice. Dichondra repens is an excellent option for gardeners seeking a low-maintenance, green ground cover that enhances both beauty and functionality. Its ability to cover soil, suppress weeds, attract beneficial insects, and adapt to various growing conditions makes it a standout choice for USA gardens. Whether in traditional garden beds, containers, or lawns, Dichondra repens offers a soft, verdant aesthetic that is both durable and visually stunning. Transform your garden into a lush green paradise with Dichondra repens. Start planting today and enjoy a soft, beautiful ground cover that thrives effortlessly.